arrangement gives the machine operator the opportunity to turn the machine off at any time.
Getting ready to move across country doesn't just mean getting your personal things ready. You also have to get the house prepared to sell. So today we are going to insulate the attic. Marshall's rented a machine that's going to blow the insulation into the attic. So Joe is going to feed the insulation into the machine as Marshall is installing it. We went with an Owens Corning loose fill insulation for attics. It has an R19 to R60 rating. So it just depends on how thick you install it to determine what kind of rating you're going to get. The machine came with everything you needed. You just needed to purchase the insulation. It was really important that Joe and Marshall had on long sleeves, gloves.
Where in the corner? Where in the corner?
So do you know how many bags you ended up getting?
10. And I bought this mask for 60.
So 10.
And the machine was free. If you bought 10 bags or more.
Will they charge you if you return it?
We can return whatever we don't use.
Well,
give me one more bag.
Yeah, or like Jessica said, we could take the insulation with us. We just have to rent a machine there.
Yeah.
But
Might need 10 bags there, so might.
So just you only want one more bag? Or two?
You just did the 3 that we cut?
Yeah.
No, that went a long ways. Just give me one bag.
All right, I'll do one bag and then
Then turn it off and we'll see where we're at.
Okay, sounds good.
Well, this is another thing we checked off the to-do list. Getting ready, more and more prepared every day, putting one foot in front of the other. Thanks for joining us, and we hope that this encourages you to get started to buy dirt, not diamonds. Until next time, we're praying you're blessed. We'll see you soon.